Salvation and Social Justice has established itself as credible partners in this work through our Trenton Restorative Street team. The National Roadmap for Opioid Settlement Funds really represents an array of recommendations, strong recommendations of how these funds can be allocated to best support the communities that need it the most, the people who are doing the work on the ground.
People really need this stuff because, like, when I go out into the neighborhoods and, they ask me what I'm doing, I tell them that, I'm with the Community Crisis Response Team with Salvation and Social Justice. And a lot of people are like, well, what's that? We're out here just trying to spread the awareness of the opioid crisis and, how it's doing damage in the neighborhood. Just trying to make sure that they have the tools and things that they need to use safely because, we know we can't stop them from using, but we can advise them and give them information on how to use safely. So, we're running low on a lot of that stuff.
It's critically important that these opioid settlement funds are being used to support things like community-led crisis response teams, reentry housing. What we're talking about, these dollars really represent funds from a system that historically has caused harm on our communities, on Black communities. And so it's not just a matter of smart policy, it's a matter of reparative justice to have these dollars now go back to repair the harms that they've caused.
Today I seen a guy walking with slides on, and it's basically almost negative 10 degrees outside. So he got a hole in his sock, and it's just like he was hurting, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I'm gonna just get you some socks. And then Pete was like, nephew, don't you got some sneakers in the car? Like, you always got sneakers in the car. Like, cause I give out sneakers. I probably done gave about 10 to 15 pairs of sneakers out already, just because they deserve it. Like, these are things that they require. These are things that they need.
We don't like to see nobody like that out. See something, we try to help.
Historically, the state has responded to substance use issues as a public safety issue. And we know that's always been problematic because what it's led us to are New Jersey having some of the highest and the most stark racial disparities as it relates to incarceration. So what we're doing is that we are basically amplifying the voices and the concerns of communities who have long been saying that this is not a public safety issue, this is a public health issue. And in so doing, we've been working with partners who also understand that very important point. And we've been working with the Department of Health around our opioid response to really build out an ecosystem that's looking at the holistic health and wellness of our communities when we're responding to substance use.
Me being able to change the narrative or just being able to have a different output to the neighborhood, is just important to me.
Basically, we go out to, when you do that, the purpose is giving love, giving back joy, you're caring.
So now today, we're trying to make sure that the funds that are coming from the opioid settlement funds are going back to the communities that have been harmed by punitive policy.
For more than a decade, Salvation and Social Justice has worked tirelessly to help our communities thrive. But we need your help to continue this very important work. Please consider making a donation today by visiting our website at www.sandsj.org. Thank you for your support.